Hello everyone, this is Madhivadini and my teammate is Dashana. Our project guide is Mrs. Lata ma'am. And our project topic is development of a mobile application using chatbot for reservation to help visually challenged people using deep learning. And we are from Vailtech iTech, Dr. Rangarajan, Dr. Sakuntala Engineering College in Department of Information Technology. And this is our introduction. Chatbot, also called as Chatterbot, is a form of AI used in messaging apps. This tool helps to add convenience for the customers. Conversational agent or a chatbot is a program that generates a response based on given input to emulate human conversation in text or voice note. A computer program designed to simulate conversation with human users, especially over the internet. These applications are designed to simulate human to human interaction, and the objective of the project is to help the visually challenged people in getting related answers about their queries and reduce the traffic in websites by giving answers to frequently answering questions. And the next one is abstract. The chatbot is to provide quick and meaningful answer to the user queries for transport mode like bus, train and flight. Frequently asked questions and information about departure, arrival timing, ticket fare, seat availability, PNR status in case of rooms. Our paper primarily focuses on developing an application with AI powered chatbots. This chatbot could get the input in the form of text or voice and provides them in both text and voice format. It assists visually challenged people as well as common people in getting the information. And the next one is literature survey. These are the papers we are referred for a project. And our base paper is our first paper, Medical Self-Diagnosis Chatbot for Accurate Analysis Using Artificial Intelligence, by Kalpana Devi in 2019.
This is our existing system, and this is basically a medical self-diagnosis chatbot for accurate analysis using artificial intelligence, and it provides text-to-text conversational agent that asks the user about their health issues. It is used as a user can chat as if chatting with human. And interaction with therapists can range from unlimited live chats to video sessions depending on the needs of the individual. This is our proposed system, developing a chatbot which processes the request given by the user related to ticket reservation. In response to the query, our chatbot fetches the correct response and displays it to the user in the user interface. In the training period, system can train the model using trained data by creating different intents, and for each intent we have many entities. This is our system architecture diagram. It shows how the chatbot is working. This is data flow diagram. First, user have to register their details. After the successful registration, the user have to log in using valid username and password. Then user can processing the ticket reservation. Once the reservation is done, user can log out the application. This is our system requirements. Hardware requirements are processor 13, 15, 17, speed 2.2 GHz, RAM 4 GB, hard disk 250 GB. And the software requirements are operating system Android version KitKat and above, Windows 7, 8 and 10, front-end Java, IDE Android Studio, backend XAMPP server.
This is the module list. First one is account verify, search module, voice module, booking module, and the last one is payment module. First one is account verify. After the successful registration, the user has to log in using valid username and password. Once it's provided the valid details, it is allowed to access their account and the features of the email system. And the next module is search module. In this module, the customer can easily track the information of the entire train destination as arrival time, departure time, charges, details, and many more information through chat. The search module is used to search trains for the major cities and getting information of all the stations and their stoppage timings. And next one is the voice module. By this model, we can get all information about the train details and its location through voice method, and also we can book a ticket by chatbot. It includes about food and berth details, the train speed and total hours till last stop. Next thing is booking module. The train details has been updated and informed if there is a delay. The customer can collect the updated details and display the links to book tickets. It update about the train if it is cancelled or any problem in the way. And the loss module is payment module. After book the ticket, the customer pay with credit or debit card through online, and booking confirmation will be sent to email after successful payment. The payment module is used to book a ticket with proper transactions. This is our output. This image represent user give the query request or voice input, and response will be in text and voice. And this image represents the location of the train, and user can book their ticket accordingly.
This is our result. The outcome of the project is to make visually impaired people to book their tickets. It simulates human conversation through text or voice format. It saves the time of the user as they can directly fetch the information while conversing with the chatbot using text or voice. The main advantage is visually challenged people easily book their ticket without any help. They can directly fetch the information while conversing with the chatbot using text or voice. This new proposed system will help visually challenged people as well as common passengers. These are all our reference papers. We publish our journal paper in International Research Journal of Modernization in Engineering, Technology and Science.